Oh boy, now that is massive. What is happening, guys? Vimal here, back with a new video. You people know, right? I've got plenty of gaming chairs at my place, but I've been looking to buy like an office chair for my studio. So thing is, these days I've been sitting a lot on my PC, guys, doing content creation, a bit of productivity and stuff like that. So I was looking for a chair that will offer me like maximum comfort, guys, for longer periods of session. And not just me, I'm pretty sure a lot of people also might be looking for something similar, right? Maybe you have like work from home situation, or maybe you sit a lot on your PC or laptop at your place doing work. For the same thing, you might be looking to buy like a comfortable office chair at a reasonable price point, right? So this video could be like quite useful for you. This is a new model chair that I recently got from Vergo. Model is called as Vergo Icon. It's a high back mesh breathable office chair that is designed to offer you like maximum comfort, guys. Basically has like a ergonomic sort of design. This is what you'll be unboxing and sharing, complete detailed review in this video. So thing is, I've actually unboxed this couple of days back only and have been using this chair. In fact, it is there only. Today in this video, I'll be sharing like detailed installation procedure and also basically share my experience. What do I feel about this chair after using it for a while? So one more thing I do have to mention is a lot of people usually go for like leather finished chairs, right, with a lot of padding and cushioning. Problem with these sort of chairs is, yes, they might be a bit comfortable, but on the long run, especially when you're using those sort of chairs in summer, especially in India, right, there's a lot of heat, right? So what happens is on longer sessions, you feel a lot of sweat in the back, guys, and it might cause a bit of discomfort. That is not the case over here, because it is completely different. You're getting a breathable nylon mesh sort of design. Everything is breathable fabric on this chair, so there's plenty of air circulation happening, and basically keeps you going even in like intense summer heat. So that is pretty much it. Without wasting any more time, let me quickly show you the unboxing part, and then we'll get back to the main design, build quality, and I'll give you a closer look at the product. Now, there was obviously no way I could do the unboxing alone, so called in my dad for some help. Our brand new Vergo office chair came in this sort of packaging, guys. You got the Vergo branding over here, and as I've told you, the model is called as Vergo Icon, and this is a high back mesh design office chair that is made specially to offer you like maximum comfort. As soon as we get started with the unboxing, at the top side we get a user manual with all the details on how to install and assemble the chair yourself. At the top side you get like two pieces of the chair. One is a lower base section, and this one is your backrest. Everything came nicely packed like this in cushioning and thermocol packaging. Let me remove it and show you. So as I've told you, this chair is available in like different colors. Today we have the all black edition. Along with that, we also got some accessories. This one over here is your 5-spoke aluminum base for the chair, guys. Very good build quality. Followed by a packet of wheels. You're getting 5 total in number. 60 dual caster wheels, guys. Good quality wheels. And you're also getting some accessories like a headrest is also included with plenty of padding and cushioning. I believe these are your armrests, and let me tell you, the chair comes with like 4D movement armrests. So that's it. These are all the rest of the accessories we got in the package. Build quality of this aluminum base is very nice. Definitely feels rigid and solid. A class 4 gas lift is also included. Couple of bolts, Allen keys, and all the installation tools are also included within the package only. And let me tell you, installation and assembling this chair is super simple. You don't need any professional or technician for this, guys. At the beginning only I've told you, right, you're getting like a user manual included in the package. Just follow all the steps one by one, or just watch my video, guys, for a detailed instructions and tutorial, and you can easily do it yourself at your home without anybody's help. So that was our quick unboxing and installation part. Installation, as I've shown you just now, was very simple. Hardly took us around like 15 to 20 minutes, and that's it. Here you go, our brand new Vergo Icon chair. This is how it looks like. So let me give you like a closer look, and first of all talk about whole design, build quality, adjustability, and all of its features. Let me tell you, this chair is available in 2 different colors. You get the all black edition, and apart from this, you're also getting the white and gray finish. If you ask about the build quality, good build quality is what I can say. You're getting good quality materials on board, and even the frame, entire frame, nylon fabric material, everything seems pretty nice. And even look at the headrest quality, guys. This PU material, everything seems quite nice for the price that you're paying. But one thing, if I had to nitpick, right, since this is like black color fabric sort of finish, right, it easily attracts a bit of dust and particles over here, so you might have to keep cleaning it every once in a while to keep it looking neat and tidy. First of all, let me tell you, the chair has like class 4 gas lift certified by BIFMA. Basically means good quality product. And on the right profile right here, you got a lever which you just need to lift like this, and bam, you can easily adjust the height of this chair, just like this. Even this bottom lower section, right, it is also slidable. So if you want like a more comfortable relaxing position, there's a lever just above that. I mean, there you go, this is the one I was talking about. All you need to do is lift and now slide. You need to put a bit of weight onto the lower seat and push it to the front. As simple as that, right? You're getting like three different tilt locking mechanisms over here, and the sliding angle is adjustable from 90 degrees to 130 degrees, guys. Choice is up to you. Apart from that, if you talk about the armrests are also like fully adjustable. You're getting 4D padded armrests. That means these are not like hard plastic. Have a closer look. This is actually soft PU material at the top side. So when you place your hand on it, right, definitely feels quite comfortable and nice. And as I've told you, it is 4D adjustable. So you can easily adjust the height of this thing. There's a button over here. Simply click on that, increase, decrease the height, and you can even slide it out, slide it inwards, twist it like this. Fully adjustable, guys, as per your comfort and requirement. Now talking about the headrest, even the headrest on this thing is adjustable. Slide it out, slide it in, as per your comfort angle. Last but not the least, you're also getting like lumbar support. You people see this small adjustable part over here. You can easily adjust it manually, guys. There's no auto adjustment over here. Manually adjust the position to give you like a good lumbar support to your back. So moving on, let's talk about the main aspect of this chair, guys. Like how is the overall comfort level on this thing, because that is the main part, right? First of all, let me tell you, this office chair has like a complete ergonomic design. At the beginning only I've told you, right, you're getting like a fully breathable nylon mesh sort of fabric back over here, and it actually feels pretty nice, guys. If you talk about the overall cushioning as well, right, look at this. You're getting a large bottom base of the seat, and you can easily sit on this thing. Even if you're like a heavy personality kind of guy also, right, nothing to worry about. This chair is wide enough so you can easily accommodate without any sort of hazards. And talking about the whole cushioning is definitely nice. On the bottom profile, you're getting like thick cushion and feels quite nice and comfortable when you sit on it. And I've already told you about the nylon mesh back panel, right? That also offers like a good lumbar support to your back. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the max weight capacity, right? So on the website, it was mentioned that the chair supports max of up to like 140, 150 kgs as well. So even if you're like a heavy personality guy, nothing to worry about. It can easily handle you. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, this chair doesn't have any reclining feature, guys, which you might see on a lot of gaming chairs. I've been used to that feature a lot. So we usually get like a sliding lever over here. Simply pull it like this, and the chair's back could easily go up to like 170, 180 degrees, and you could take like a nice nap whenever you're tired of break or maybe like gaming sessions. But as a compensation, you're getting a sliding mechanism, which I've shown you just now, right? That will offer you like a slight tilt mechanism option. One more question I keep getting a lot whenever I make these sort of chair videos is, does the chair make any sort of squeaking noise or sound, especially from the wheels or the lower half section where there's a lot of movement? See, honestly saying, it's been only like 6-7 days I've had this chair, right? So far I'm not having any sort of squeaking noise. I mean, look at this, all the movements, 360 degree swivel, everything feels very smooth without any sort of sounds or noise. And even if I harshly move around on the wheels also, right, I don't feel any sort of squeaking noise or any sort of disturbing sound. So that is definitely a plus point. But again, to be honest, right, when the product is like new, I'm pretty sure no chair makes sounds. You'll have to use it for at least like 1 or 2 months. Then only you'll get to know the actual quality of the products and parts used in that model. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll use it for maybe 1 month or 2 months, and later let you know in the description box or the comment section. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. It's a good quality chair. I really like the overall ergonomic design. The comfort experience is also nice. On top of that, I really like this mesh back panel that you're getting on this model. Makes it quite nice and convenient, especially during intense heat in our India summer season, guys. This chair is available for around like 18,990 rupees. I'll try to leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So what do you people think? Definitely share your thoughts as well in the comment section down below. And that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. If you all enjoyed watching it and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.